Hello, Ronnie here out in the shop. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how I solved this problem. So here shows the pad and the 4 screws that need to be removed to be able to replace the pad. The screws, you can either use a T20 Torx bit here or regular flathead screwdrivers. So when you remove the screws, get a good hold on the sander because that pad will want to torque around on you. It's just 4 screws removed and pad's ready to slip right on off. So I checked it to make sure there was no dust buildup. Got my air compressor and blew it out with some compressed air. Get it all cleaned out there. And then here's the 2 pads that I bought. One was the DeWalt pad, replacement pad, and then there was another one I got on Amazon that fits this sander. And I'll put the links in the description below. So here's ready to put the new pad on. As you can see, it's not brand new. I already figured out how to do this. So this is me putting the new pad, fairly new pad, back on. And again, when you put it back on, you screw the screws down. Slow down on screwing them in when you get close to the end, because it'll torque around and just whip that pad around. But here it is, testing it out. Pad on the new, or a sanding disc on the new pad. Sticks really well. Well, there you have it, guys. Pretty easy fix. Sandpaper's stuck on nicely now. Let's test it out. That's not going anywhere. So I'll have a link in the description to the 2 pads, replacing pads. One thing I did want to point out though is this one has the 4 screws and it's a 5-inch pad with the 8 vent holes. So some of the sanders will have 3 screws. So depending on your brand and model, make sure you get the right amount of screws on here. But hey, thanks for watching, and subscribe, hit that bell if you want to see any more videos from me, and I'll see you on the next video.